So there's nothing worse than having to go into a bathroom in a communal setting and have to go back into the unit to get some cleaner, scouring cleaner, to clean out a tub. That maintenance is not cleaned out, or that one of the people who live in the building has not cleaned out. Worse than that is having to go to another restroom that has a bathtub in it to get towels, paper towels, to use to clean out the bathtub when there are no towels in the towel dispenser. So a few minutes ago, I came to the bathroom ready to take a shower and found these little dark spots, which are spots that are left when wait a minute, don't let me lie here, hold on. Yeah, there's spots that are there from, water that's settled and dried with sediment in it from people's skin dirt that the maintenance of the person who used the bathroom did not bother to clean out. When I first came in, there were several of these areas, and I turned on the shower to wash some of them away before I used the Ajax bleach cleaner and paper towels that I obtained from another restroom to clean out the bathroom so that I can take a shower. If you live in a communal setting, you have to act as though there is no maintenance or janitorial service, which means that you have to clean out the bathtub and the sink. If you have a tendency to leave whiskers and toothpaste droppings in the sink, it's only courteous to the people who use the bathroom behind you, and it shows a tremendous amount of home cleanliness. This is Cheryl with better tips for better living in a communal setting. Tune in again.